Tutorial of the C programming beginner. In this video tutorial we are seeing about the basic syntax of the C program. Let's get started. What is token in C? C program consists of various tokens, and a token is either a keyword, an identifier, a constant, a string, or a symbol. Tokens can be anything like keyword, identifier, constant, string, literal, or a symbol. In a bit, we are seeing what is keyword, and also you can say the token is individual words and punctuation marks are called tokens. Let's move on. Why we use semicolon in C program? Let's see why we use. In a C program, the semicolon is a statement terminator. In C program, semicolon is said to be a statement terminator. Each and every statement end with semicolon. You must have write end semicolon whenever you end the statements in C language. To write semicolon at the end of statement to end the one logical thing. You can also write at the end semicolon when your one logical statement will be completed. Examples. For example, printf hello world semicolon. See over here, I am writing at the end semicolon. What is identifiers? A name used to identify a variable, a function, or any other user-defined item that is called identifiers. Some rules for identifiers. Let's see. An identifier starts with alphabets, that is a capital A to Z or small a to Z, or underscore followed by 0 or more letters. You can also use underscores as an declare identifier or a digit. C does not allow special symbols such as at the rate, dollar, and percentage within the identifier. You cannot allow the at the rate, dollar, and percentage within the identifier. You can also use underscore between the identifiers or within the identifiers. Some valid identifiers are XYZ, ABC, XYZ underscore PQR, underscore XYZ, XYZ123. Those are the valid identifiers. Over here, some invalid identifiers also given. 123, which is invalid identifier. 100 XYZ, which is also invalid because it starts with one digit, and as we see, the rule says identifiers should start with alphabets and then proceed with any numbers. The dollar current, which is also invalid identifier because the special symbols dollar with keywords cannot be used as a constant or variable or as any other identifier's name. We cannot use keyword as a constant name or a variable name or a identifier name. All keywords have fixed meaning and this meaning cannot be changed. In C language, all the keywords have its own fixed meaning and those meanings could not be changed. Let's see which are the keyword exist in C language. Over here, some of the keyword are exist, that is author, double, int is a data type name, struct is an also data type, int, break, else, long. You must have to remember these all the keywords so that you cannot get an error whenever you declare constant variable name or identifier. Thank you.